YouTube, what's up? It's your boy, Wavy Mike, and today we're back for another video. Alright, so a couple of days ago, I made a video with the new shine method. If you haven't seen it already, go ahead and check it out. By the way, shout out to Wavy Leon for getting a reaction to my video. But yeah, in the comments of that video, somebody asked, can you do this method with a natural product? Also, Wavy Leon did it with a natural product in his reaction. I've actually already tried it and it worked, so I'm just gonna do it again. By the way, I should probably mention this. Before I did it with the Murrays and before I made the video on it, this was actually the first product that I used it on. That I used for it. Because if you guys know this product, it's kind of difficult to remove from the can. So that's where I got the thought of heating this up from. Because I already didn't have a problem removing Murray's from the can, right? But then Murray's has one hold anyway. So I just decided to do it with that one for the video. But now, let's do it with the original. When I say original, I just mean the original one that I tried with this product with. Here's the product. Let's go ahead and, hold up, let me get this hair out of there. I'll just do another side stuck. All right, so that's the product. Let's turn this on. Instantly, you can see it melting. Oh Jesus, started dripping. Look, it's liquid in there. Okay, so dang, it's already solid again. So that's the good thing about this. You're not gonna burn yourself because it cools down extremely quick. Now I already need to reheat it. So let's just do this and immediately put it in my head. Wait, before I do that, look, you can see where it was melted. Around the top right there, all that stuff, that was just liquid like a second ago. So let's go ahead and do that again. And this time, apply it. Okay. Immediate results. Let's put some more. I'm just gonna do it to the top right now. So if you can see, you'll know that my hair is very, very shiny. And I literally just put the smallest amount in my head. Like if it were still solid, let me show you how much I would have used. It would have been like this much. Can you see that? Is it too bright? It would have been like this much. But since it was a liquid, it spread out and it was like more runny. So I could rub it in my hands and spread it out a lot easier. So this is what it looks like with a natural product. Nice hold, nice shine, nice results. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and hit the like button. Go ahead and comment. Share this video with other people because I know you know somebody who needs this. We're gonna call this Wave Man's Shine Method. All right, that's it. Enjoy your day.